If you have a 2015 to 2017 Ford F-150 with those terrible fog lights that use a halogen bulb, this video is for you. GTR Lighting just came out with an all-new bulb called the Ultra 3. This bulb is the best and brightest bulb in the world, and I'm gonna prove it to you. I'm gonna show you what this looks like by replacing that halogen bulb in your fog light. I'm gonna show you how much brighter it is, and of course, I'm gonna show you how to install it. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness-destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact, with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Now, your fog light housing is a reflector-based fog light housing, which means there's a few mirrors inside, and that light from the halogen bulb, that wire-wound filament, is at a certain point inside of this housing to then bounce off those mirrors and give you a good beam pattern on the wall. That's why you get a really good fog light beam pattern without a lot of glare. This is specifically designed for it. Thankfully, GTR Lighting is known for many years that you need to replicate that wire-wound filament the best of your ability to give yourself a beam pattern that looks like OEM, but it's brighter and you get a better color. And I think they did a very good job with the Ultra 3. I wanna show you guys now. I'm just gonna back this up. I'm gonna use a digital lux meter and just measure the actual usable brightness out of this fog light on this F-150. Once I'm done with that, I'm then gonna install the Ultra 2 bulb, the bulb that came out years ago from GTR Lighting, and then the Ultra 3 bulb to show you how much further they've progressed in brightness and control. Now, this is what your stock fog lights look like on the wall. You already know this is not a very bright beam pattern. It also has that really ugly color, that halogen looking color. That's dated, it's not what we want anymore. When you install the Ultra 2 bulb, the bulb that came out years ago from GTR Lighting, it looks like this. It is 412% brighter than the stock fog lights. Using that digital lux meter, I only measured 248 maximum lux from your stock fogs and 1,270 maximum lux with the Ultra 2 fog lights. Again, this is the bulb that came out years ago, so I figured the Ultra 3 would be even better, and here it is. Obviously, it's so much brighter. You can see further into the ditches. It's going to keep you safe when you're driving down the road. I measured 2,434 maximum lux. That was 881% brighter than your stock fog lights. But just look at that color. The color is something you really need to pay attention to because this makes the front of your vehicle look so much better. It's a very comfortable beam pattern when you're driving long distances. On the topic of color, GTR Lighting also has a yellow option when it comes to the bulb. Since they do make a 9005 bulb type, you can choose the yellow option in your fog lights. A lot of people really like a nice bright white headlight and then a nice yellow fog light. Personally, I like the white and the white. The white oftentimes is brighter. I generally see about 30% loss of brightness converting over to that yellow color. In this case, with the Ultra 2 in yellow, I measure 1,247 maximum lux. So it's still 403% brighter, but not quite as bright as the Ultra 2 in white at 412% brighter. When you stack them up, you can really see the beam patterns are the exact same, it's just the color difference. This is what the Ultra 3 looks like. I still measured 2,158 maximum lux out of the yellow LED bulb. This is 770% brighter than your stock halogen lights. It's insane to have a yellow bulb still this bright, because again, you lose a little bit of brightness. The white version of the Ultra 3 was 881% brighter, and the yellow version was 770% brighter. Either way, in my opinion, this is an epic upgrade. Now, I want to show you guys how to do the install. It's not that difficult at all. I know most of you don't watch that, so I want to let you guys know. It's on our website now, the GTR Lighting Ultra 3. It's better than any bulb that I've ever tested, and any bulb that you guys have put in the comment section below. You're like, test it against the Eye of Megatron, test it against Sylvania, test it. I've tested it all, and it's the brightest out of every single one of those LED bulbs. Watch those other videos if you don't believe me. I'm gonna show you guys the install now. Remember, this bulb has a lifetime warranty, and we test products all the time for the Fords. Type in your year, make, and model at headlightrevolution.com, and you'll be able to see everything there that we actually recommend to install in your vehicle. Now, let's get to the install. Now, the fog light install is so easy. You can simply reach up, turn your bulb counterclockwise, and pull it away, and then disconnect it from the OEM wiring. If you can't see it or you need a little bit more room, you can also remove the three 5.5 millimeter bolts holding in the fender liner and this little push tab here. Then you can pull it away and have yourself a little bit more room to reach the backside of the fog lights. You might as well do the low beam and high beam while you're in here if you remove the fender liner as well. Grab your Ultra 3 bulb, connect it to your OEM wiring, install an Ultra 3 bulb by putting it in, turning it clockwise, and you're good to go. That's all it takes to get this installed in your fog light. Now, for whatever reason you get this installed in your vehicle and it looks like crap when you're shining it down the road, it's probably not aligned properly. And it's really simple. The Ultra 3 is adjustable and it comes with a little Allen key right here. So simply find the little Allen spot here, and we're just gonna twist it a little bit. You don't even have to remove it all the way. Loosen it up, and then that'll allow you to move this collar a little bit. And you might have to play with it a few different times, because what you want the bulb to do is sit upright like this. You want this cord to come down, and you want the LEDs to shoot out just like that. You don't want it to sit at an angle like that. That would not work. You'll probably get a bad beam pattern. Well, that's the last thing you want to do, so just adjust it, clock it, so that way it's aligned properly. Now I know what you're thinking. That's all this video is about, the fog lights? Well, as you can see, it's a major transformation, and it's super easy. We want everybody and their mother who owns a Ford F-150 to upgrade their fog lights to this Ultra 3 bulb. It's super bright. You can have it in a white or a yellow. You can see further into the ditches, and it's going to look a lot better on the front of your vehicle as well. We've tested so much when it comes to lighting on your vehicle. You gotta check out our website, headlightrevolution.com. If you type in your year, make, and model, you'll see everything tested that we truly recommend.